Hello everyone. Today we are going to complete vocabulary and grammar portion from chapter number 9th. Maryam Mirza Khani leading the way. In vocabulary, abstract noun. An abstract noun is noun that denotes an emotion, idea, feelings, quality or state. For example, joy, truth, anxiety, determination, liberty, belief, childhood. Exercise A. Change these words into abstract noun. Humble, humbleness or humility. Second, young, youth. Third, patient, patience. Fourth, beautiful, beauty. Fifth, judge, judgment. Sixth, obey, obedience. Seventh, generous, generosity. Eight, brave, bravery. Nine, sick, sickness. 10th, wise, wisdom. Then exercise B. Fill in the blanks with the abstract noun of the words given in the brackets. First, the happiness on her face was visible when she won the award. Second, she is a woman of strength. Third, the people in this part of the country live in poverty. Fourth, cruelty to animals is a punishable offense. Fifth, as the sun went down the horizon, darkness enveloped the land. Sixth, wasting or wastage of food should be avoided at all levels. 7. Wisdom comes with both age and experience. 8. Maryam had the dedication and determination to succeed. Then, gender words. Equality between men and women continues to be an important topic. हम लोग बोलते हैं ना कि men और women को कैसा इक्वल वेटेज मिलना चाहिए. Here are some gender words for you to learn. Emancipated मतलब free from social and political restriction, मतलब जिनके ऊपर ना social restriction है और ना कोई भी political restriction है. Second, empowered मतलब होता है confident in control of one's life. Then gender equality, the act of treating women and men equally. Gender discrimination, the unjust treatment of particular group of people because of their sex, race or age. Discrimination मतलब भेदभाव करना कि नहीं इसका सेक्स ये है या फिर इसकी ये जैसा है इसलिए भेदभाव करना. Then gender stereotype, a set idea of a particular type of person or thing, especially an idea that is not correct. मतलब gender stereotype मतलब कोई भी ऐसी आइडिया किसी भी पर्सन के बारे में कि जो आइडिया कैसी है गलत है. Then C. Read the situations, fill in the blanks with gender words you just learned. First, Parvati's family lives in that poverty. However bad the situation is, her mother does not wish her daughter to step out and work. Yet Parvati chooses to work in factories and mills and supports her family. Parvati is emancipated. Second, Sheila and her brother get equal opportunities to study, work and eat. This is an example of gender equality. Third, Geeta is an astronaut. She lives alone and makes her own decisions. She is empowered. Fourth, Meena's brother goes to school. However, the 12-year-old girl Meena looks after her baby brother at home. Her father thinks women are universal carer and educating them is pointless. Meena's father believes in a gender stereotype. Fifth, in the past, most women did not receive the same educational opportunities as men. This is an example of gender discrimination. Then grammar portion, present perfect tense. The present perfect tense is used to describe a recently completed past action or to describe a past action or event when it is not important to know when the event happened. It is also used to describe an ongoing action or event that began in the past and is still going on. It is also used to describe an action or event that has happened repeatedly, that began sometimes in the past and may continue to the future. Exercise A. Fill in the blanks with the present perfect form of verbs given in brackets. First, Sheena and Shreya have been friends for many years. Second, they have not made plans for the holidays yet. Third, the students have just finished their assignment. Fourth, Tina has already eaten her lunch. Fifth, my mother has traveled to many countries. Sixth, Rohit has lived in the city for 20 years. Seventh, Tara has played the guitar since she was a child. Eighth, the class had just come back from a school trip. Ninth, she has forgotten to carry her stationery. Then 10th, had she bought a new gazette? Then exercise B. Exercise B, use the words to write sentences in present perfect tense. यहाँ पर कुछ words दिए हैं, उनसे हमें क्या करना है, sentence बनाना है in present perfect tense. They have studied maths in school. Second, Mariam has loved doodling since she was a child. Third, we have not cleaned the cycle. I have interviewed an author. Fifth, Riddhi has not met her friends. Then preposition. A preposition is a word that shows the relationship between noun, pronoun or a noun phrase or the other words in the sentence. For example, did you send flowers to your mother? यहाँ पे preposition क्या है? To. We are cooking for a few guests tonight. For क्या है यहाँ पर? Preposition. सो ऐसे बहुत सारे प्रपोजिशन हमारे डे टू डे लाइफ में हम लोग यूज़ करते हैं. यहाँ पर देखो बहुत सारे एग्जांपल्स आपको दिए हैं. इन, ऑन, फ्रॉम, बिफोर, अगेंस्ट, अराउंड, टूवर्ड्स. एक्सरसाइज सी, कंप्लीट a paragraph with appropriate prepositions. I was in my home, sitting by the window. Just across the road, on the metro bridge, I saw a little girl lying with her head on her mother's lap. The mother and daughter looked pale and hungry. It seemed they had been looking for food for many days now. Suddenly, a passerby dropped his wallet and kept walking without realizing it. The little girl, on seeing this, picked up the wallet and ran towards the man. The man was now walking along the road. The girl ran faster and caught up with the man. She returned his wallet. The man looked very pleased and offered her some money. She thanked him and bought some food for herself and her hungry mother.